Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this glass vase from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use some hot glue and create a pattern on the front of the project. I'll be using this imitation silver leaf, and it's from Amazon. Right here, I'm just using a small paintbrush to brush away the excess silver leaf. Now I'm going to be using this blue-black ribbon, and it's from Dollar Tree. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? And guys, if you're wondering about the pedestals that these are sitting on, they're actually a DIY that I did a few years ago, and I'll link that project in the cards. For this next DIY, I'll be using this bowl from Dollar Tree as well as this foam board, also from Dollar Tree, and I'll be tracing out the pattern of the bowl onto the foam board. Next, I'm going to be using a craft knife to cut out the project. I'll be using these wood blocks from Dollar Tree. I'll be using this bling ribbon from Amazon, and I'm just going to cut it into smaller strips. So right here, what I'm doing is just adding some fairy lights to the center of the project. Now I'm going to be adding some of that diamond vase filler from Dollar Tree. To create legs, I'm going to be using these ice cube blocks, and they're from Amazon. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll be back on Thursday at 6 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.